Hello fellow crafters, I'm back with Crafty Corner and today I am going to make my first Spiral Betty, so come along and find out how it's done. Spiral Betty gets its name from the website that creates this spiral. It's spiralbetty.com, and all you have to do is upload your image, then you'll scale it to however you want it to fit into that circle. And it is going to create those lines to create the Spiral Betty from your image that you uploaded. You can do spiral, lines. This down here is going to help you pick how many lines there are. The more the lines, a little bit better to see. There's also dots, which I think is super fun. Again, if you scale this up, you're going to get more dots. I want to do the spiral just because that's what I like, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a few more rings so that you can see my image a little bit better. You can also play with these other ones down here. Scale is obviously going to pull in that picture however you want. There's lightness and contrast. Again, that's just going to play with your image. Once you get it where you want it, we are going to hit this download button. We are going to change this over to SVG, and I want to clear the background. And click download. Then let's head back over to Design Space, and we are going to upload that SVG that we just downloaded. So we'll browse and we'll go find our SVG that we just downloaded. And we're going to hit upload. Select my image and add to canvas. Now, all we have to do is size it accordingly to what we're going to make. I found the bigger we make it, the easier it is to weed. And let's make it. I'm actually going to use iron-on for today's project, so I'm going to mirror and hit continue. For those that have the Maker 3, it is going to do it on a matte instead of matless. I think it's just a little too intricate for it to do it on a matless smart material. So I am going to use everyday iron-on and get it cut. All right, after it's cut, the hardest part I think of this whole is weeding it. All you are going to do is first peel back the outer edge here. This is going to help us find where our opening is, where our first line comes up. So you can see I have that one line, and then all we have to do is keep pulling that spiral. I did end up making a one with premium vinyl after this, and it did not weed this well. Iron-on just seemed to work much better. This was super fun to watch it really come to life. I decided to use my Autopress to put it on a pillowcase cover. Added a pillow, and there it is. Turned out super cute. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.